Hi students, welcome to week 1 of Composition 2, ENG 106. We got to our week 1 folder in our course content. When the week 1 folder comes up, you can open it up and this is what you'll find. First thing for this week, we're going to do introductions. So open up the introductions file and you're going to find lots of information here. First, I've given you some images of the books, so you know what to look for. You want to make sure you get a copy of those books this week as soon as possible so that you can get started on your coursework. I've also given you a little web link to help get you started with writing an essay in Microsoft Word. We'll use a lot of Word this semester, so you'll want to be familiar with that. I've also given you a little bit about how to format your papers in MLA style. We'll practice this throughout the semester, so no need to worry about it, but if you need a little refresher on those formats, that's where you can get it. We'll also have a short discussion board where we're going to play our icebreaker game, 2 truths and a lie. So to get to a discussion board, you're just going to click on the link. It'll take you to the discussion board and then you can post. So you'll see my post is here. When you get here, you just want to create a thread. So we're going to go back to course content and week 1. The other part of this first week is I will give you some information on the syllabus. So here's a link to the syllabus. You can open it up and I would recommend saving it to your computer. The other place that you can access the syllabus is here. So it's always going to be available to you, but I like you to have it during the first week. So if we want to come back to week 1 and do the second half of our assignments this week, be sure you click the Mark Reviewed folder so I know that you went through the content in that folder. Then we're going to click on Pop Culture here. First things first, we're going to take a short pop culture quiz. Now don't worry, this quiz is just for fun. It's going to get you thinking about what you know about popular culture. And then I'm going to have you start reading in our Common Culture book. So we're going to be thinking about reading and writing about American popular culture and why do we study it. So once you've read it, go ahead and mark reviewed. You don't have to do anything else. I've given you a couple videos, some things to think about, and then I'd like you to discuss pop culture with your classmates. So this will be your second discussion board. Here's where the instructions for that discussion board are, so you can find them yourselves. And then I've given you a little wiki assignment. So a wiki is going to be a place where you can put all sorts of different kinds of content that you want to write. So we're going to create a wiki page here, and we're going to call it Pop Culture. And this is the place where you can put links, you can put pictures, you can attach files, you can write notes to yourself, you can actually add YouTube videos. All of this stuff is available to help you start thinking about pop culture, keeping some materials for yourself so that you can use them throughout the semester. So this is kind of a place where you can come back to and have a lot of materials that you might build on over the course of the semester. We're going to come back here to our pop culture folder. And then I've given you a little discussion of why study popular culture. So it's sort of a mini lecture from me in YouTube format. So those are the assignments for week 1. You have the whole week to accomplish them. If you have any questions, of course, please just let me know. And welcome to the class. Yeah, and good luck.